China's exports grew 9.4% in August. That's down from 14.5% in July. I'm Deborah Khan. Joining me now is Shuang Ding. He's a China economist at Citibank. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, so pretty much the exports were pretty much in line with expectations, although people seemed a little bit surprised with import figures this time.
Yeah, the trade data today basically confirms that strong external demand and weak domestic demand, a reflection of diverging cyclical momentum inside and outside of China. So looking ahead, I expect export to remain strong because the U.S. economy bounced quite robustly after the soft patch in the first quarter. But imports may continue to suffer the ongoing property market correction. So the trade surplus may continue to be sizable, supporting the strength of renminbi.
What does this mean for the overall picture in China? We're almost to year end. Will they make their just over 7% target?
Yeah, policy-wise, for the moment, the positive contribution from exports and the accommodative credit conditions seems to mostly offset the downside domestic risk. So, and the PMI number also suggests quite steady month-on-month growth momentum. So I think it will take a sharper economic downturn for the government to introduce broad-based measures such as triple R cuts and the benchmark interest rate cut.
What about any other types of measures, though? Do you think we'll see maybe some more minor stimulus coming?
I think the government will keep the policy buyers on the easing side, especially in terms of monetary policy. So I would expect the central bank to keep the liquidity and credit conditions accommodative and introduce some targeted measures toward some segment of the economy, like the social housing, the SMEs, agriculture, and there could be some support to the infrastructure. But they may continue to use the targeted measure, including by using the central bank's relending.
Okay, and so I know we still have another quarter to go, but what do you anticipate for 2015?
I think the growth risk is less significant in 2014 for the rest of the year compared with 2015. 2015, we may see a continued downturn of economic growth. We now forecast a second half growth of this year of 7.6%. That is a mild rebound relative to the first half of the year. But next year, we think the growth may fall toward 7%, mostly because the ongoing property correction may weigh more heavily next year as new starts continue to register negative or close to zero growth.
Okay, thanks very much, Shuang Ding, Citibank senior economist, for joining us.
Thank you.